party on Plamosa. It's escapees get together from 1 to 5 this afternoon. So it's going to be, I don't know, free food, some events. I'm not sure what's going to be going on, but I will take you along. Wow, that's quite an event. There we are.
Meet with Wendy, meet with the chapters of BOS, and get a feel for it and understand how it all works. You'll see a lot of us wearing these goofy shirts. We just got over 2 days ago from the Escapers Annual Bash. Yeah, so the Escapade is really the big family reunion. You know, we get a lot of new members to come out there to learn how to RV. We get a lot of returnees that come back just to catch up with old friends and kind of people going to Escapade.
There you go, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Needs volunteers, so if you're willing to help out, they always need help. So that's based in Livingston, Texas, and Kirsty over here at the little club table, she's got a lot of the information for you.
Anybody else need a raffle ticket?
Got a nice seat here. They're giving away free food over there at the tent. I got a hot dog and chips and a water.
And then we have the Escapers Annual Bash.
Stop by those, they are a bargain and wonderful perks. And as members, you do get a discount.
Kirsty, our Hangouts director, she's also been a huge volunteer with CARE, and Loopy here is also hugely involved in CARE. So you'll see Escapees RV Club does a lot of donations for CARE. This year...
Hey, if you haven't gotten your tickets, we're closing it.
Hey y'all, how you doing out there? Wow, we got quite a crowd today.
So I was out trying to get some drone footage of the big tent area and all the vendors, and I hadn't got very far at all and lost contact with my drone. It got as much as 5,000 feet away from me, and it ended up landing at some point because of a low battery. No idea where it is. Hopefully someone will return it, or I'll look on Facebook to see if anyone's found it. But anyways, if I do have footage, I'm going to post it right here of what happened. I don't know if it'll explain a whole lot, but I haven't even looked at it yet. Don't even know if I have anything. But anyways, here's the rest of the video, I think.